to America. Fa number ne sisia. Dodo bia wo pay to bia. Ko herbal medicine shop bia and as a pharmacy shop bia na kwaje wodie. Medofo, uria. Yay, we have me just me set up ya. Edu kwasi ada na me ba say ye na ya set up die. Eye super. Jama ni be ka say ye super. Yes, ye be ka say ye super. Papa go furniture. Enkunya papa fi. Medofo e, wo go so ye promotion ne den eno nti fa wani kirem. E wa kesema. Junction ne so ha. Papa go furniture. Furniture horo bia opebia. Papa go furniture ebe ma obi. Office furniture. Anasa udemu. Ufie furniture nyina. Papa go furniture ebe ma obi. Wogusu ye promotion ne den tutu America na kona kwaje odi. Ye na uria. Yay. Angel. Beverage. Angel. Beverages. Just anything something say. Flavors ni na bi wo ho. Peach, mango wo ho, apple wo ho, just banana wo ho. Ni na bi. But of way, me say beverages ah. Enkola ni mpanifo lawyers ni doctors ni na agi atum. Eye Angel Beverages. Tutu America just say die. Ewo ebi wo be bia, dodo bia wo pay to bia. Entna se emfa wonsa enhye wo demini fam se adwuma ni ho adwuma wo ho enu nti na ye papa doctor kwekwotin akofa Angel Beverages abedwaso se ne be ya medofui ubenya adwuma ye tutu America na kwaje odie na de mani meme nyina so aje atum die eye adonko next level ye adonko next level mani mema no chese ye ko ntokwa ya chiatum enu nti tutu America na kwaje odie na uria bikwa adwuma base na mabre na meje me ho anji a abrochirefo ni nyina age atom Angel energy drink so I say eno no bi age atom koba na mabre say ya mi hia se mefa penkele bia o Angel energy drink pe misro caffeine ne wo mu no endru 1% kra endru tutu America when you say papa doctor kweko ten die odwene ye ho enu nti bibia wode bebedwa mansu bia no odwene ho adwene fi ho edi fa abafi emfidie mu edi nuamba papa edi ye tutu America na kojodi onyame wonhira ye mitiri hwi shasha rigs was na yes dia wo frudu ya pa na ye piano enu nti ene upo meshe wunwi anti shasha ya minstrel oh me beautiful curtain the cat hair mo kan is short hair ye ready there's a many mada ho misro ogusu ye promotion na den enu ti bebia wo bia no e ba no te inwi papa afia woni se na ya ase de me gi bibi ho a me gi tuma ma gi atum enu ti tutu America fo ani chem e wo Spintex Road Coca-Cola roundabout wa ko enim kakra bi Kakalika Plaza ehwa na shasha rig ewo baby echo bi anso delivery no seconds na ba be dru tutu America na kwaje odi we of way uria ye enkapo egumi komi enkapo egudie he be say metimi aton baako me betimi aton ni padua ni nyina me of jewelry we nyina if the boy fashion jewelry tutu America na kwaje odie the boy fashion jewelry made of we atari ehemi enu because ye na yasa system free Debbie's closet TikTok obo Debbie's closet na say Debbia obeba cheze entari mu kinkon die wo se bia kasa meni ate enti meji bibi ho a enye bibi saa keke tutu America na baby a wo bia fresh sister Debbie's closet 2-piece die ebuso entire enso eye super sister ya baby a wo bia michia ladies in collections check ese enkoma upa medofui afi wuria empaboa papa fie die chese nkola mpaboa mpenifo mpaboa chese nkokrawafo emrewafo nyina every kwajo shoes to America akwaje odi kwajo shoes was Sakaman Junction and so nyame ye road no so a Sakaman Junction ho a and akwadwo shoes ewo na ni gisem e wo mu ni say this vows day ya ebe ya start promotion din am dofo woni abusua ni nyina mumbu nkamfa ho na munkwaje modi ya tete so say hu mi din aye na Nayas ba kope me no ye original menim eni machidi di ohu bia e fake enjia kese enkoma mi CEO Mr. Vincent eni adwumaku panifo nyina mitwa me ho aba ne de ya hyehye ne se ekula kama bede ibasisia Atadwe eneya sedenne pedofo sebanu ufie nkonya papa padia mi trema furniture papa padia eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hodini wom etitru fo wo Ghana promo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afi yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wobia no papa go furniture e wo ho edemam papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture enkonya papa papi.
On my long and stressful days, I long for the refreshing company of my favorite companion.
Wow, my favorite.
Tomato onions, maybe tomatoes.
Hi. Oh, hello. Please, I need to know the drink you were enjoying earlier at the shop.
Sure. Even on Sundays in the market, nothing is for one.
Makuma swaji.
Guess what I brought? A refreshing companion for you and I.
My favorite.
Angel Drinks. Nyamepe, nyawenejehu.
Angel Drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello, your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen Centrani, Messiah actress, and in Yuma who do pee and na me juma dainty. Ma pomi den hu hia me papa na se bad ma pomi den hu dia enu ane Jefax mixture bonje Jefax mixture nti mitimi gina pabo atenten so just Jefax mama your best mu ankasa me nia be ma ebe ma wo so wa ye be mama pa senti a meji Jefax mixture tum preko pani say eduro no ho te ye dia fa abefu nimdie kwan so eni fidie won wosom e na ye ne friendship kroje ye no nti ma ye resade enu wane Jefax mixture na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala no fo ana akwala onyanya emfie dumienu
FDA ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Jefax mixture pa.
Jefax mixture pa me do for to America na ko je odie ye mesi ane wo yen semri mo ma me introduce me guests me do for ene me nsaka German burger e wo fie ha burger we get SDA ene ye be ka German kasa wo fie ha that say wa fa pen paper na oh be draft bi na be dot bi na say wa je no say ene me nsaka yakasa ma ho fe papa bi ma de nyina ma menes boga open it. I say, oh, pentem. So, say it not so. Your friend Miss Turay. Miss Turay. But me am ho fe kan. It's answer no ho fe. Sister ya wotie. Ye catch us as wa wo memu nan. Unyini. And ye be bon kom ho. Ufi Germany by 10 days any echna or sanko. Now was there be sis. Essence will show your experiences in life, your life experience in tea. Me ba be share my experience ama fufurofo. Na me sa kam yanka samadi nyina so ha. Miss Josephine Papa B. Or ye beautician. Just say we doctor, we ye ni nyina bi. Ono anka sa be bon ho nsamrane na no ho fe. Eh. Ahwe ne na ho na ne sere ho ye just say eh yes, I catane na ho. Cause I say, me see you she so ho. Me see you so enche bia so fudie ni nti so ho. Star man kwa mu nyina hwe, me staff mpom mu nyina hwe. Na wo wi a. Me so for me ba akope. Oye counselor. Osaye evangelist. Mrs. Efia Yeboa. Papa bi ahofedua. Na no atse onim kasa. Yankom hwe. You come on, Quaba. Mamma, Quaba. There's a mammy patch of a dear. I said, Mammy, friends of Mammy. But why your days of Mammy now? Sister, we can't someone, and as we're too full, we preach here a better wakumasu. So, for Mammy, Papa, be and home, and what's your summer say? So, you tin in our mamma, no. But just be a hoya dear. The Jacopon so shout. Some told say Frewa. O say, there be me bammy to a madina, your fruit your pa, the piano, to the me be a mijai, and my banyamisra pa, me das meniaso. Enemy Casamadi, me doctor, Pachawankas introduce Hunkakra. Shall come running, they introduce Hunkakra, and mammy.
We are into aesthetics and wellness services. I tema. Nene me da was say wa mama kwenya say membra ujumedie ni so na me fa menim die metai rich.
I'm sure many asododo. In fact, me was Nayas badodo. Na ostra ho fedodo just say na ntuo ni giregyerem bibia giregyerem usuro say biara me see you hwe eti no akata ho kakra dog ni burger German burger Viget as dear
wunderbar und dir
good danke yeah they say me call Germany one so for me man fa hwe amakra 2x4 ne dear before say me refi me dia ba say man fa hwe ama me ne ma na kan suyo so de dada ntumi amedru ba kasa me enu ne de me rent me what yes here yankopon hira says
yes
Miss Turay
yes
or your wine o free hin o wanuano mo say ehi fa no cool school yenkwai boy habrabo mu nkomo kakra
Miss Turay full name Marilyn Mabinti Selassie Turay. Marilyn English name.
Okay.
Mabinti Sierra Leonean name. Because my papa free Sierra Leone, my late dad.
Okay.
Selassie Aigbe for and Aigbe di right
okay.
Because my mommy Aigbeni.
So
Turay my papa di.
So
yes.
Okay. Uko school with him fa.
Well, yeah, woman was Germany.
Yeah, Germany.
Yeah, woman was Germany, 1989.
Oh, my man, and you more Germany.
Germany.
Oh, okay.
Right.
1989.
1989. Okay. Made it 35 now.
Oh, okay.
This year, I 36.
Oh, wow.
Right.
You look so beautiful, and you don't look like. Yeah.
Thank you.
I said before, say we are 22, 25.
I'm past that stage.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
Anyway, so yes, I was born in Germany. I went to school in Germany till 2nd grade.
Okay.
And then my mom decided to bring my brother, my senior brother, and myself.
Okay.
To Ghana. Say yembe suya culture no.
Okay.
Na yenko school wa
hakakra.
Me mama side ye o mienu. Me nua penini enemy.
Unya penny no your
2 years older than me or your bema.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay.
Me papa side ye or worry and son worry me mommy.
Oh, okay.
So the first marriage no ono so we mienu wo ho.
Wow.
Mema mienu.
Wow.
But back way free mo.
Oh,
Inti yemfa ne say aka 3.
Aka 3.
Right.
It is see mama hwe.
Probably yes.
Okay, ni chia na mama. Show camera ni na chia mama Emma.
Greetings, mommy.
Ah, ka dort ba ko tre no.
Ich hoffe, es geht dir gut zu Hause. Ich weiß, du bist heute stolz auf mich. Ich liebe dich.
Elise, ich liebe dich. I love you so much, Mama. We love you, okay? Okay, so let's continue.
Yeah, so me mama de yeba hanum.
Okay.
So me call Christ the King. That was 98. That time na me di be 8.
Okay.
So me call Christ the King.
Now we're the 8 years.
8 years old.
Okay.
Yes. Me call Christ the King cantonments.
Okay.
From class 2 to class 5. And na me mama now pese oko back to Germany because na me papa ye juma wo ho.
Okay.
Until I was so kotina ne kunu nchen but
now papa ye juma ben wo Germany.
no, you're doctor.
Oh, doctor.
Medical doctor.
Oh, Germany?
Yes, please. Allgemein Mediziner. Yes. On the own now on the own clinic. Ratingen. Yes.
I saw.
Yes.
Wow.
For so many years.
Wow.
So many years.
Wow. Okay,
yes. Yeah, so me call Christ the King. Na me mama pese or call back to Germany. Call boa me papa won ejuma because ono so
I'm trying to mo fan chair na tree na dan ko ya mo fa enche on se boges ne de mo ye wo mo abruchin de or try but say mo fan chair. Why?
Me mama so your nurse midwife. So the plan was say obeko back na wako boa me papa e won a clinic.
Okay.
Yeah. But say obeja me e wo fie de. Na me stubborn pa.
I can see.
Na me hard inti or the make share boarding. That was John Tay Memorial of Anchor, if my memory serves me right. Of Anchor.
That bafo ne mama bafo no school no John Tay.
John Tay.
Okay.
Into John Tay me call class 5 na and I made the BC 2006.
Okay.
Afterwards me call St. Rose's Aquatia, Eastern Region. But a home memory me call till second term. And I me call back to Germany 2007.
I didn't see when we SS no.
In some P, but to cut the whole story short, no.
Okay.
Na minyam.
Na onyam.
Na minyam. Yes.
That time, na how many years? Na onyam.
At that time, na me was 17.
And na onyam.
And no na enye my first pregnancy, but yen fanesa na minyam. Yeah. Inti and at that time so na menua area in schooling I was presec inti onu di kind call back to Germany inti na aka me
okay
yeah me papa wo ho menua wo ho me mama wo ho inti me ne me mama ko agreements mo say was say me yi nyinsen ne dia on to ticket ma me na me nso me beka omo ho me pese metina Ghana biom
time na uko SS no
yes
na wonyam
yes
uko nyem ye
me ko nyem ye
time went me enwie secondary school no
e wo hanum yeah
eh na o maame me nti ase nti wa wo
Debbie man wo like I said enokra na enye me first nyinsen no me first nyinsen no na me di 14 back in the days yes first nyinsen no na me di 14 inti eno was
first nyinsen no
yes
na we di 14 years
yes
wo boarding school no
yes.
na ukonyem
John Tay time
John Tay time that time Mr. Bisa wo woni empanifo ena kwade die a wonyem ya na ase woni
me age group my first love
first love
yes
na we di say
I think 2 years older than me at the time
so no we di 16
yeah
first nyinsen no
yes
no na we die na wonyem ye okay yento aso
so back to Roses me sanyim biom yeah
14 no nyinsen uko yiye
yes of course me 40 no
and I was saying
and I'm nyem biom sanyim biom into third one no that time no na me wo Roses no into na me mama so I fed up as a mom now opese minyi biom anyways
okay
but na me so na me man condition says say me yimpo a o ma me bra back to Germany me pese metina Ghana biom inti on track tickets no enhre me me hu ticket na me pene so na omoyi nyinse no na ma come back to Germany and she did just that inti me nyinse no 2 days later and I made the call 2007 summertime
It's the first one na mama ya aware and okoyima and a second one
na me kra men sheda nya aware won say na me sa
okay nti na won sheda nya aware say
na me suspect it
okay
but mama ni doctor ni your line say infection whatever and na omoyi
wow
yes second one dey na me aware na omoyi enter form
and then na what tete wo ma me no papa na hard dwene
na me hard dwene sis
ase da mafo na nkasa bebiri na hard dwene
no kra ba ko na me hard
dwene say yenya asa wiemfo ma no
me so no dey na me hard dwene
na hard dwene yes wo hard dwene still class wo hard dwene
oh say ma cool it down
yes. It's who call Germany mama do call Germany no say or accept ye
yes
say or do be call no try ticket ma and I'll call any ko see say
once me better na 10 years so me call ye for no dey me san call language school ne biom because na me nka Dutch ne biom so me call just a short course Santua me school no so and alongside me first kids in Tafo no say almost 14 September mo benya 15 boy and girl
oh ma already 14 how old are you?
I'm 35 going to 36 years. This year.
So who 21 years
at the age of 21
no more your twins
yes please boy and girl
and this year already 15 years
16
yeah,
sorry 15 right 15
but you don't look like so how many children do you have now?
I have 4 I have the twins I have Turay who is also a girl and Inshira she's also a girl so I have 3 girls and a boy.
Why are you so many now way
more Germany yes please
wow and a year day
well like I said na me go school in the nursing sector though but meaning twins no until I was a you know through pregnancy and everything so to cut the whole story short I had the kids stayed at home took care of them and all that on module stage now me to me I baby with my life no and I'm here me nursing. Yes, so thank God today I'm a geriatric nurse. I specialize in the care of old people. Me share emrewa for ninkokra for. That's my specialty.
Oh Germany.
Germany.
Wow. Oko Germany na experience need to say and daddy.
Well, say me Germany. Inti na enye adia ehu bia. Yeah. But na me hard ni. Inti I said na focus no any school so sa. I'm very smart. I'm talking about academically.
Okay.
But na me focus no any books so sa. Enunti na nyinse no eba ye wo Ntafo no. Because na me go school.
Okay.
Just like me Ghana na me go school am here.
Okay.
But all the same, last no, I was able to make something out of my life. Me 3-year nursing course no, me year 2020. 2022
okay.
March the same day now me re me nursing school no me graduation and I'm papa free mo.
Jesus
yes that same day and no free mo.
You were about to cry but
I'm so sorry.
Oh God
yeah but me da nyame ase say sada no still onyame bie kwan mame enene kasa biom ansana mantene nka biom
so na o wish ni say enka oberie school wa be start ejuma be show papa and I said then because
me papa was well to do on enhu hia say mehwe no because na onisika yeah if at all sometimes on okra na mayen from Africa that was not a problem but na me papa you very educated 20 thank you so much. I'm so sorry. My father was my everything. Na ne you know let me go back. Once me can say Miss Sano na me very stubborn and all that. It was a shame to my family because I come from a very respectable home
and rich home. Yeah.
Rich, well to do, let me put it like that. So now as a me bring shame to family no. My father's greatest wish was say, regardless of say my work in Kolanin term and everything, no, I should make something out of my life. It was his pride to see me doing my nursing course.
Okay.
You know, and that's why I'm so grateful that on the same day that I finished, yes, he passed away, but I had a chance to speak to him. I think it was like 10 seconds.
Wow.
10 seconds. He was in the hospital. And I was like, Papa, I've finished my course. I'm done.
Okay.
He said, yeah, no friend me mama.
Mama, o kan do chi mo send e papa.
Ich bin fertig. Ich habe mein Examen geschafft.
Oh.
Yes, exam, that's the final exam to become a qualified nurse. Yes. And the response was, Mama, he used to call me Mama. I say, Mama, ich weiß, ich hab das schon gesehen. So I'm sure that during the day, he saw me posting, because now me posting.
Yeah.
But that time, no, my friend, no, because maybe a calls baby, you know, so excited, me in school. And I'm a say, I've not called my dad. And as usual, normally my friend video call, and my friend, no. And then the whole situation with him in the hospital, you know, came to my attention. But at least, like I said, me to make a try and say me real.
So what's
that's fine.
Yeah, me find a currency, baby.
Amen.
So daddy free, Musa, no, na experience, no. Na it's saying, I said, Becca, when mommy name Kolan and Kwan, it's saying, na that's a no mommy or Ghana na.
At the time, now or Germany.
No, Germany. Okay.
Me papa
mommy better na Ghana kakra.
Mommy ba Ghana. That's 2 years now, roughly.
Oh, okay.
On your stroke. Oh. Mommy your stroke 2 years ago on Mother's Day. Na me nam quite so called Holland that time. And I mean ya a frame say. That was afternoon, I think morning time. A frame say, or feeling say, Mama in your stroke. So me dane kano, and I me call ni honum. Thank God, me rengi and to me be a dono. Me who say one side no gununa, me free ambulance fast.
It was Germany.
It was Germany. Wow. 2 years ago. So now she's here in Ghana.
Sorry,
we're taking care of her here in Ghana. Thank you. Thank you.
Kuse. Enti more funny saying, I mean, since daddy free, more mommy so be stroke, no experience and not it's the same because they was show no a more experience in crunch a free hole because who said it wasn't easy at all.
Yes. Daddy free mono for me especially because me and the last child.
Okay.
And I mean kwanso na me me oba.
Okay.
Tina me ne bond no very tight. Until I felt it. And they said, it was not easy. Yeah, he's always on my mind. So that's why I'm very careful about what I do today. Because he was a big person. He had a good name. He helped.
Doctor
Ratingen, a city before Düsseldorf.
Düsseldorf, okay.
Ratingen, Tiefenbräuch.
Okay.
Now on a practice, in own practice, wow. Yes. Until years ago when he decided to go back to Sierra Leone and our tongue and I'll call back.
Okay.
Until I'll call back no. I'll call head doctor for 2 hospitals.
Oh wow.
Nabaku Ewo village and Nabaku was city no. Unfortunately for us no, the day of his death, Yarieno Kano no, na our village. And as Sierra Leone so omu delay a lot of ferry. It was a woody ship no, a call back to city.
Oh.
Africa. Say ambulance bedroom hontem village honum no akofa no akọ back to city no na you too late until we ambulance no.
So sorry. So sorry.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Yeah. Mama so yari no na enye easy especially beginning no. Mama atna Germany for over 50 years.
Wow.
Or by Germany at the age of 18. With the 74 this year.
Wow, then you are blessed.
Yes. What in a watch?
I mean, show. Yes. Wow.
But Edru baby no na say a best no na hard you kakra because me ejuma full time. Me nwan so ye ejuma. Untumi nja ono nkwa. Dina e better say o woni dan, o woni fie wa ha.
Okay.
Wa bobra, o woni sika. Ono a na ehwe ne ho wa ha. Ye mane no.
Okay.
So na e better say on better na ne fie.
Or
on a 24-hour nurse or on a house of her. Or you okay?
Everything will be fine.
Yeah.
So, Mammy, if I told me, Chawano, Miss Ambausu, and Chibia. So, Mammy, Bremoka Crebina, then caught me next questions. As soon some more kind, if I told I think it's too emotional.
So sorry. Nasem no attach me pa. Miss Sarah, this on fat, ne papa cry and see. Now on Sheminia ban and so then. The son say Abrabum Wafempa. Our parents are almost done. We shall send your narrating the story from the beginning. Yeah, the neck to boarding house. Boarding house, Nimno. Or young crab one is semi.
14 years old.
African parents be a minimum. Wakonyum.
And if I want,
yet me pa mo akra bi crazy.
Wara ko mami anka nchire wara ko faba.
Show where. But the parents, I'm really proud of the parents. Ye ni nipa bola wo fie.
Yes.
Send ye tie bia they were proud of her. No mo che no do pa. Edu baby crawl man the parent condition. Me who plane ticket. Me nya dey mo ye mo pe no. Emma mo. Emma almost so ye the need for just to please the daughter because they want to see her happy. It's good say obewo. But one way ye na ye the wrong time now. It's me her dream baby.
Be brave.
Omo reason omo man ne ko terminate pregnancy no. Their personal reason.
Okay.
Nyem de bi asma me kan say nya me de pa amaye. Ho no me nko ho bebre.
Okay.
But they make can say ni parents aya de bebre. They deserve the best in life.
Wow.
And I will also share ni parents or dopa. Say or share ni papa nyunyam. Etimi cool school. Etimi be ye nurse ni ku dadama or pese oye. Ansa na owo ne ma. Te say dio fa mu kuku ahwe ase nyina anim no wampa ba wa brabom e che se nipa de wo de besi wani so bia no we are determined you will get there and na we are awofo a embre wo bada
the bidder
emfa wo ne asomodin abofra ne beye e wo sa abrani nyina wo gina wo bechi na wo hwe se because akwa no te ne be bi wa mekra wo na wo de na be wi ase eye wasede se wo be ma nanya daache papa eye wasede se wo be protecting spiritually and then physically. What I say? Say no more, so what that so would you send a hot tono? Eh, was said ye. Eh, African mother for fra. Or be neglected no. I don't cry my bro. You are not the only daughter. Have was some cock. One your market now couldn't feel. A whole source of nuisance. But the parents are intimacy and what them pass said, the mammy come be. The man, mammy, and what was the matter and piano in Yarisa. A rather man, mammy, and what dear. Ebra ho so isa say numpe ho akokwa nyankwa de a me stress e erade ma ne mame ahoden na on di ne breast aba ne papa de nyame nya to nsa frɛ ne dada ye stress erade ma ne baby pantena ba ono so no me de nyame ase ma na brabo say when giving up in life na emfa ho say owo ye he owo twins nyina twins na odi kan lose ye no they came back to her. Wow. She
don't look like cry.
No. A mother of 4. She looks so beautiful. Me did this a brush on your corner. No, obet shade the insia. Why you too beautiful as a mother of 4? Because me share me as a mother of 2. Now me the compare na. As me did them.
Not me share me mother of 1.
Not as I did them pa. It comes with a hard work. Or you'll be a your pebby and so pagoda or going for gold. Or per silver or going for silver. A idea be a I was a my emulative from her. Or cassa or you're bright. Just or you're smart. A babu kumwa. Or one cassa with my dear pa. Anna, Nenisos J. Myself from the beginning. Or cassa no you're stubborn. But as we speak, we're calming down. What's it said they are calm down. And no baby, I will be any one boy crowd done it. Nemo when you're done, you are one you with me your word. Emma be senipa.
Yami won't shroud. The doctor, me patrol, you try a waba. You buy, you bet was on your sign about. Remember me, Yamin shroud. Amen. Yango pon shroud. Me patrol, remember me if you are a boy. Quite TikTok, but if you are a boy. Open some mammy fefe or that's so. Could see any counseling nature say, Ninsem a better show. In fact, or cassa with wisdom. Medofo, be charming home. Amaja boa from Krato. Ye papa says here, Frewobio, will be Fruby. Be half an video into Angel TV. Be was here. Never.
Atadre eneya sedenne therefore sebanu ufie nkonya papa padia mi trema furniture papa padia eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hodini wom etitru fo Ghana krobo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afa yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo ho edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger
Papa Go Furniture. Enkonya papa papi.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting? For your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello. Your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century. Messiah actress. And in you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medjuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa. Na se bad ma po me den ho dia. And one Jefax mixture. Bonje. Jefax mixture nti mitimi gina pabo atenten so. Just a Jefax mama your best simu ankasa. Me nia be ma. Ebama wusu wa ye be mama pa. Senti a meji Jefax mixture tumpre kopani say. Edro no ho te ye de afa abefu nimde kwan so. Eni fidie won wosuom e na ye ne frinchem kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resade. Enu wane Jefax mixture. Na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala no fo. Ana akwala onyanya emfie dumienu.
FDA ahwehwe saa egedie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
Jefax mixture pa.
Yankopon shall me raho experiences in life unim say can be bi abrabom nsem de ahinta ekukuhwe ase osum areho enije kakra bi ne wom adesuade no ene dɔɔso Yankopon shall boafo wona so mase nyina Jefax mixture papa kopebi nintu yare ni nyina so ye be ma wa ye mre wo mpema p capsules eye wodi akogibi Angel beverages ni nyina kwajibi wate parties programs ahora we nyina I don't go next level Angel energy drink kwajodi Papa Go Furniture enkunya papa efi Shasha Ricks and Ashemi Debbie's Closets and Ashamatari Kwajo Shoes and Ashemi Pabwe Possible Makeup and a chimenim kama my name is Turay a possible makeup Shosheno our TikTok Instagram baby possible makeup in Capone gumekomu nyina the boy fashion jewelries Linus Foods and a my nyina organic edi yento aso sis a dear new secrets I say just say a mother of four so whatever yes. I don't mean gindi enya bibi nti anka esen ka edo ma no egu TV national can call for but enya advisable a dear new secret because I say o pictures new videos bi me hu as a first na wo pa but I say waba be so cute onofo me hu sa onofo no ati egu se gina ho just say a dear new secret wadaroma
enya secret simple okay. Because me ta kan ho asem
oh okay
na me so said ya kan ye no na me weigh almost 100 kilos
hey una woda TV ne so no
yes me na me da TV no so
Miss Turay una woda TV ne so
me assess na me nyemo sana na me be ye kase be ye
na onyem
there be
eye una woda TV
ne
so
ketwa no kra ewie
no wa wo last born no kra ewie so una woda so no
yes
okay yenkoi
inti almost 3 years ago 2022
okay
2021 I'm sorry
okay
me yes say no and I me who say enkoye mame me jina mirror anima na mirror ho because I'm young I'm still young I was young then I didn't see I say minjeja me husa
wow
me try bia with dieting sports you know
na emfa ano no mundro bebre ni ade
enya asem ketwa
okay
amboame amfa also because na mabembu intem said that me pay result in intem no na enye sa emame no cry ba ko
okay
inti
wow
me contacted me say surgery ewo ho and all that
okay
so me contacted clinic bi ewo Turkey
okay
and na omo ka kire me say me say said me tie enne no just say me twe ansa inti omo can different possibilities share me. So to cut it short, no, me koye gastric sleeve surgery. Gastric sleeve metremu. A surgery whereby we baby would di aduane ekwa kogo no. Omu twa be 80% efrim.
Okay.
Omu twa free ho.
Uyeman kasa.
Would di baby aduane kogo no. Digestion take place no. Omu twa be 75 to 80% efri ho.
Okay.
Meaning wo intake dia wo to me di abaya ketwa, right? And no made the train. So me lose 40 kilos.
Not first, not we say
97 to be precise, 97.
Okay. And I will lose 40.
Me ba 57.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Inti me train sano na afide me skin ye very soft.
Okay.
Inti me fu be hange loose skin. What you see?
We fu ne betigu.
Betigu ye.
Oh, okay.
A ba from all right,
okay.
but it's a betigu ye.
Cause na was
exactly.
Okay.
Me no for be flat.
No for so tigu be samaye. Okay. E be ye pecha ni bi.
Basa flat.
Okay.
Na me say we dey mean to me janesa. Cause I'm young.
You are young.
And I know I can slay. But me yes I know I can slay.
Okay.
So what did I do? I did my research. Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes. Inti me san ye research kakra. And I me san call Turkey. That was last year May.
Oh.
And I me call ye surgery be a friend mommy makeover.
Mommy makeover.
Mommy makeover. Omoye onofo.
Okay.
We fu.
Okay.
And say possible auto account.
Okay.
In my case, yeah, me to no amfa.
Auto na amfa
because na me fat no enye enough.
Okay.
Say omo de be share me to.
81 my yamfa nguto na doctor ne ka say mfa.
Doctor catch me through consultation say onye sure say ebefa.
Ebefa.
But me catching say on try the
obey me. Say na onye sure say ebefa.
Because na me fat in dozen. So share me say one-on-one consultation or so me mo or ye ne markings no. Or catch me say onye sure say met me anya BBL said ya me imagine no. Na me catch say all they on try.
Okay.
They obey to me. But in fact me nya na me hu say amfa.
Nto omo to go here.
No. Like any humpo na moto.
Oh, okay.
So fat no like.
Okay.
Lipo no. Like I'm fat. I don't know how else to put it.
See, Matthias.
Yeah.
It's we here. We no for no bibi shishim.
I know a silicone implants, breast augmentation.
It is silicone shisha we no for no.
Yes, please.
Wow. It's na fesa no. It's na jina so pa o. Eti ya de silicone shishim sa na. Unya feelings. Be ma so ma na so bi touch no for na. Unya feelings.
It take time. After surgery no, any small surgery I can want some. Surgery need take 5 hours. So mommy make over no complete package no. It take like 5 hours. Na enye easy sir. Yes, ubenya feeling, but it comes with time.
It is here feelings no still and as I bet take it time.
Who say me May, so coming May be me 1 year, right? Back no aba in full.
Oh, okay.
Back no enyam buy in full to say first no.
To say no, dear left and as a right no na feelings no woman.
I know the menka.
Okay, it's yamune die. Yemfa bi.
And also almost sake fat no, that is liposuction.
Oh, okay.
Almost sake fat, not only me chi like all around 360 lipo no.
Okay.
And amoye tummy tuck.
But always me sorry John anka ya share.
Oh, sure.
Yen share hawa because ye share time. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Who feel?
That's it.
Jamai skin. Who ya know say abrofo skin patron na semai wadaro.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Into say the feelings na wo no funu mu no akakakra
ba ko no akakakra
ti ba ko no mu na akakakra just when you food say say na wo ho na atie egu na feelings
it's even more sensitive than before.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow. Abrabom die no bi dia ye wa beka say wanu ho na die na wankasa nkasa wa ye beka say we die menu me ho aje me jana sa ha me nyanya nkamanye obi wo ho asof ma me otimi koye ne to wo otimi ebia ne no fu ye okoye beka say wanu no ho ne yem no beka wo ho ebia na onu no nim de wo hu ana say who is a one who saw yes, man.
Oh no.
Okay,
dear, my greatest achievement aside in my my woman. No.
Okay.
We are dear na person me with joy and so.
Wow.
It will call me TikTok page now share me videos now.
Turay,
regardless of the pain no.
Okay.
Na me cause surgery room no.
Time no. Director and patron need mu an ka betimi show sa video no amamia. I think the time na ye surgery no obetimi show amaya na ka ye nhwe. There be surgery time. Okay, we na ugina ho no. Aso, we na ugina ho na we shake. Oh, in fact we too sexy. Na e ba say me ma na help pa wo ho. Me ma na help. Me ma pa dey so. But who dating?
Yeah.
Why you engage?
Not engaged, but I'm dating.
But you are dating. What kind of crew?
Yes.
Because a man be bring na kokoye. Sadi no for obi ho no ma okoye for so de benya mema obi a woni motiva wo de koye but wo de na ha wa na se wo huni se wadi dem no ene ma okoye ba o guy no na ne no one ne wo hansa na okoye
yeah
na ni je ho
na on pair idea no
okay.
Na anka of family said ya na metie because also throw knife and all that
kono we am be bebre koye a wo mu
yes
okay
but a drew baby no obetema say because the name say makuma wo say me
okay dog me pacho wadaroma eni die kwan so wo ye sa niema we nyina bi wo Ghana e basa e die na abetimi aka fa ho na futu nkranhye ben wadaroma eni die mo
e basa na
you look so pretty just say beautiful and me bro for ne basa dia pacho ye nko wadaroma
see e basa na de obeya ni say before wo beye no unim say wani ji ho say wo beye
okay
seek professional advice
okay
go for proper consultation.
Okay.
Na you say, oh yeah, right for the treatment, and now say, oh yeah, right for the treatment.
Okay.
And also, here pa.
Okay.
And he said, me can say, oh, by your say, you better me up, I'm want me to the right doctors to go in for the consultation to know what to do and what not to do. Tinina jina consultation. They be choose the right people.
Okay.
Right clinic for your services, and you won't have any complications. Oh, surgeries there. Say me can say so be call a was no call what say chana or be fear when you're swelling and some pains. It's the same process.
Okay.
It's the same process. I will be kuma, ubenya some pains, some swelling, but gradually a be free ho.
Okay. It would be a so why a doctor na just say okay enya bone wo ho
enya bone say
because a doctors for be na ma yeti ase say eye bone
debi me no enya bone
okay
say wuni udi hu di say ade a me koye ni hia me pese ana say me am body they said the sister to le kai no on feel confident in her body so she wanted her confidence back and no make it that decision say oh koye no and wuni say ope choices okay. Yes say they say obi crap say onwa obi surrogate ma obi senke be ka say ye boni
but dog sa niema we unim say niema me you you wo ni nkwan because ni video bi a me hwem say me director ohu ya so ni mu ontimi entini ni mu ontimi nyina ho ontimi nya hwe serious
surgery bia so bia wakọ surgery wo bia nim say ukwa sa ne beba awokra manfo wow you chawa it's very painful we be go through the pain but with time no we be wan say we heal
it's never been our doctor if you need you can so we but that's a wo so pa
liquid BBL
na say yet social media BBL for no yet say mo social media mo na mo proper to no
o pese otonye kesi
mo na mo proper eto no ase ye mo na mo wapane na e go for to proper na mo
and it depend baby a wo be call.
Oh, okay.
Ye ma. Okay. Tina de bia make choose the right medium. Wow. Grab the right people. On se Ghana obia sorry obi ye bi. Okay. Oh,
and we are say Nyankopon kra de ye pa aman. Wow. The fact say open mo me pe kokunte does not mean say ye atamfo. Wow. What I say? Wo hwe ne before na ene ne after na o lose total confidence e won self. Okay. Ono ahwe ahwehwe mu a otimu say magiegu me obi a me pe mahusiesie yie me pe say me so nipa ni like me slay or you use the word slaying wa wawie sika wo fie e wo so o ma ne kra na eti ni mu no na nije. There is nothing wrong with that. Bibie ni a yem from so far eno so what you say enti say obi na empa enche say obi koya eyem from so ana ade bia ye wo ne merit any demerit ade bia complications wo into way the merit any demerit na dia ultimate betimi take risk na you go in for it because all you be a so pe gold a okofa or pe silver okofa send your doctor kan ye no obi timi koye CS or the healing process no end that form. You were talking about the pain she felt when she went to do it. Okay. But normal. Because say why you see as that your first day and easy. Okay. Doctor also mukra mwatna no and not from pain na wo betse. Say na yen timi nka so obi enya kidney issue. Yen koye transplant. Ye ko try the kidney ne ba ko afiwo. E you obi de ahyem. And no see a procedure. It's the same thing say ono so ni padua no. Ohun say baby atosin after say owo ne ma enti baby atosin no okọ ama adokitafo omo a ewo sa nimdie na boa no ama na yensiesie ama na sini dadam. I don't see anything wrong with that. Obi wo ha o suffer beka cho say adenti na nyame abọ you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. Adenti na wokọ twitwa wo nipadua na wo di bia ka ho ana se wokọ yi fat ni bia to agu me pa cho doctor wo sorry a yentwi wo sen because nyankopon ka say sorry a yentwi yesen. So what I say? Doctor, who sorry a enyare because yen ka say you sorry a enyare. Once a obi timi nya appendix. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening.
Where obi timi nya appendix. Emi ye kopa ni yem. Yes me kwa ba carry baby. Emi ye. Obi timi nya diodo na osame ye ko twitwa ne nso de another rubber connect. Eno so ye procedure.
Hello, good evening.
Okay.
Hello. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Mijaso. Good evening.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, God.
Yeah, and a mommy makeover no. The same thing. Yako you obi kidney ye de for frashim. Ono so de no so ye ko yi ne fat. Ne aye ne yie. Ne ono so abeye normal. Say we be lose self confidence. Etimi ku. What I say? Asa wo kra na oti wo mu no. Na ninje. Eno nko a wotimi dwen ma obi because ma obehwere wo nkwa. Eye number 1 factor. But okoye ne surgery no wie ye no. Ohun enei a mother of 4. See how beautiful she is looking. What I said, there is nothing wrong with that. A risk she took. Maybe I will not take that risk. But the fact that I will not take that risk and she took it does not make her my enemy. No. It's a goal she went in for, and I'm really proud of her.
Telephone number no and a screen no anymore. So for me, Yankopon shall pa. Amen. Yes. And for me, Miss I say, and to Quania and Yamanema, I was what TikTok, no, as an unseen would a room. Santo Quanto Quana was what TikTok, only say your time and as I'm ya, and I say,
Mrs. Macasaya, Hoya. Me, women Nancy, Nasa, want to mean cano cra. They be a menu benya problem. Okay. Me mean kata Yamaso Mentesa. Okay. Nyama makanene no obi wo ha nyama say
on ka said yin tin na nipa no odi yawa na say ahoya apa ne mu so no obe sorry just like that no wa be kon no wa be nya problem.
The first encounter with Sa nyama no say me ko boa obi boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
Mani beda me fie. Eno na ede ntokwa brand.
And also yes wa ko obi boyfriend o say die. It's no na ma e pass no.
Na me like guy ni ko stranded.
Okay.
And or calling on me for my help.
Oh.
And me mani baby die. After say me ne girlfriend crack aside. Say and come me friend the guy no embre no. Na yen solve mo issues na or say Debbie no.
Okay.
And I made the guy no e call me fee mani baby die no. Eno na ending send me bria ba.
It's na guy no na woni ni bibia ye.
No. Na wa expressing interest in me da.
Okay.
Yes. But me mani hu say emfa
because you
be a will be. But okay. Even semini obi kra emfa because me was the type of men na me pe na onka ho. But na me pe na se.
Okay.
The fact say me pe no in that way does not mean say ontimi nya madam for my mind at that time. But
it's a how power.
Oh yes. My image is very, very important for me. Ehame, mindadao.
It was sunya ni ma bebre.
Oh yes, me sunya bebre.
So mama, me pacho wa dwen kire ni sei. Ene ntokwa na wo akwaye mama aja wo social media make say TikTok ne so a utufu shenkran kasa kire yen no. E dey futu na de be mai because ene obi TikTok a ntokwa basabasa nua bore atem didie enim guasie ene so bia pese wonyawa opese aye no de ko TikTok ya ko say as a TikTok aye Supreme Court adani Supreme Court ho ne case ho ne di asem ho ne e bibia
o se me dan de ka wazo yam do
me do be ko TikTok mako gu anim ase uzu se ma eye di ntia wadaroma TikTok na be boy and I me boy
TikTok no wo ne positive ayi wo ho na wo ne negative ayi so wo.
Okay.
Ebi the TikTok turn niama. Ebi the pesca.
Okay.
Genuinely.
Okay.
Ebi the showcase niama omoye. Ebi ba life ebe turn montade empaboa. Ebi so be preach kanyame asema akra sakra.
Okay.
Obi so ba obe attack innocent.
Okay. Me mpacho wadaro mani die mu ayenhwa de. Miss Turay, una woda so yi.
Yes, please.
Wo surgery no nie. Na hwese ne yasoso wo mu director
ya ko same day of surgery. That was the same day of surgery. Yeah.
Day na ye o surgery na ni tesa me ho kra hwehwe me hwese ne ya so mu asa wontimi ntene mu asa ja ebu so afọ mpacho mo hwe Miss Turay tama no oso oboshi di asafo ni bi em se no mo nana no nti okotwetwe ni nyina no em se dey no mo ye na anu so for mama me pacho yenko.
Yeah, it's a TikTok no. I say queue.
Okay.
You want to kwa for queue. And you what the okanya mesem so queue.
Okay.
You what the oton ade.
You wo omo mu didi atem so.
You wo omo mu di atem bodua.
Okay.
Ana Ghana for pe ye me nhwe. Se Ghana ni nam kwa ho na nipa me no kontokwa. Obegina ahwe. Or drive kro be ro ne glass o person ohu de ekoso.
De ekoso.
Ghanaians ye gossip paper ye akonkonsafo.
Mi tua wo ka di we atem mame.
Di we atem mame.
Di we ani ma se mame.
Ha, into wo ba TikTok no. E wo se hu niama wo pene hwe ebi hwe o mokwa de entertain o what you say
enhranka nyankopon say ye mane bebre na no wo mo download
ye the parental guide ya to o mo tab ne so
wonim say me bag girl no woni che say wo kɔ ne phone so a TikTok no hu Ghana ni ba akokra wo so
debi
hu Ghana fo bibia
no eno na TikTok de ba FYP ma wo hwe
okay
what you say and na omo kontokwa ne so no. Let's not get them wrong. It's a path they've chosen.
This. Oh, okay.
What you say?
Yeah, they almost were choosing.
No. Say what it's so beautiful. Obi wa no pay followers, only followers. O sha sister Nayas agidin. Me attacking.
You can't know what sama. You didn't throw no so.
Yes. I can remember there was a time people attacked me. Omo di matem no, na followers ni follow. So if you go and check
Ghana sa na em se me hu no, ye di watema ye gu wani ma ase no. Na nyame ihira wo.
Brother Sami be say work together for your own good for those who believe.
Yes, brother Sami be.
We believe.
Brother Sami be say, "Wo di matem kura, wo gu mani ma ase na nyame wo hira me." So ma unji ndi say e your tiny bayi because say wonim Nayas, wonim mama fia, wonim Miss Turay. Obi abetua wo ka sika kakra bi e de be mounti ebia YouTube coins kakra bi e de be mounti nipa na ba gunani ma asema me sei ni ma me rather ni nipa na yade papa for instance say na yase ba Ghana yi yente na yase ho asem papa na yase
na wa ye fa bro sui na yase na ya ma hyiw ye wada ni bi ama obi bi
ma na yase ye adwuma pa say nka yen support na yase ndi ofru dua pa na ye piano wanye Young woman ni masi mama e ho ne de bo ho bi ma because enche ye de be wi
ye mehwe no
e mehwe no
o kan ho asempa wo nya followers o kan ho asempa e wiase ente ne nka ebi preachy but people don't watch it but they go and watch those that are fighting obi kura be ye story be say ono o show mo kontokwa no de twitwi ne nchansi mu o de si ne niama o de dware ne ba o mo show mo as a movie to entertain themselves and they are okay with it so you the viewer you the new person on TikTok no please share baby a kiwa o shall be comfortable with and then join that queue because obi come motivational words you say you don't like it you like the people that are fighting maybe and also and yes they like them obi was so 2k 3k go focus life in so no na fe o misbehave more na negative energy no build it up just to get attention of the people that are watching her.
Ye we busua ye woma ye bedi atema kosisen ye no bi ne bedi ye di kan ye no ye no ye hu said na ya se de me na mani den me wo bi kam ya me fa ne ho nche no but enei wotena se na dwen ho hu se sa ne ma ni nyina me hu ya e kama ye mama e de afutuo ni de hia me pa e na ade be masafo na wo mu ku social media meka se wo mu ku TikTok no TikTok ni ye abeboa but a science say ene ekunkum je say obebie bia ye kum nipa wo ho eduabo e de afutu na mama wo de bemma
de meka ne say
mama patro ni die mu a o camera ni
ni die mu a obibia wo hwe me a wo TikTok a wo kontokwa sebe wo brunua wo kan ye nsem fata kire wo nua ana wo comment section ase a wo di nkofo atem mesra wala ebi a wonim abrabo ni mu nsem yi e dia wo ye ne nei e ya de ebe wo ho forever wo ma wo nana nkanso a wo nchirima e ba be hwe dwumadi a wodi sabre achi anso emu ye ebi a na ya wo se wo de wa se wa abrabo dada enti wuntimi nsa nko wachi sane etie bia ne pa bi wo mu o say you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God wo betimi asesa a start aye programs a e betimi asa atwe dom aba abehwe wo attend ya wo ye wudi atem fiti 19 kojo pepe ba sebe sanya wugina na wugina ye describe why say sister na odi atem bebrebe no sister tuntum no sister kokko no atem dia wudi nti ye di wo maame atem ye di wo papa atem wo maame wo ba wi aso papa ye de nanim tree form it say atem dia mu wudi nti ye mu bi ye srompo se ye be post ye busuafo e wo TikTok obi nim me ba obi nim me kunu obi nim me maame esansa mayem hyehye kase pa ne se animonyamfo ete se egu me fie obeba abedi o matem se odi me nkwa matem amepe ba ebi afa we hu so ewuwu ebi ana unya hu ye atia emu ye sakra na se ne etie biara yesu don
nyame nshira mama me pa cho wadaro ma hwem biem na fa wo telephone number etudwa obi pe for programs na se bibia wadaro ma fa number ne tudwa ma.
Yes, we do mama na.
Mama mpacho fa tudwa ma miss.
Yo, me pacho wo betimi arechi afia ye bo a e 0244 415508. 0244415508. Uko Facebook a obehu afia ye bo a. Uko TikTok a obehu afia ye bo a. Uko YouTube obehu afia ye bo a TV. Uko Instagram obehu afia ye bo a. Dia efre bia o de beba no. Meje wo so say ya de di ebeba mabrabo mu a.
Nyame nshira sweet mom. Dog, me pacho nsema ya kenyina bone tofa wafutu na telephone number any baby e show ibe hu pacho wadarom
me dasi
pacha bi wa no kakra mama
okay the American ni say life is all about choices. The choices we make today will determine by tomorrow, so always make a good choice. Nti yes so baby a obehu yen ewo ambiance pa ewo tema yewo tema immediately after the Tulako police barrier. Okay. And now we'll be to me a friend 0264 885637. Now I've been here.
What number you?
Okay. We'll be to me a friend 0264 885637. Now I've been here. Now no choose when you the right consultation to go for your mommy makeover. We are there to help you. Thank you.
Dog, Nyamisha some to for by sweet mom Nyamisha some to for by Mr. Rebe Pacho Wadaroma. Final words for the yakanyina Wadaroma. Because
baby I me coach na.
Uko Germany
yes, please.
Boga.
Yes.
Uko Jai. Oh. Pacho for foot to Jamaica and San Wako.
Meka about surgery side no.
Okay.
Eya me ye live sessions bebre e wa TikTok no so.
Okay.
But meka assembly wa habium.
Okay.
Before say ubekwa koye surgery no. Please do your research.
Okay.
I always tell you ladies, do your research.
Okay.
If you have questions, I can tell you about my experience.
Okay.
DM me and I'll tell you what I can.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very, very important.
I mean, if our TikTok, do you name no
Miss Turay, MS Turay with a red hat at the end.
Okay. Nyankopon won shraw. Nemom kadoch, shwem chiama na kadoch. Echira wo mane ne yadofo e show na. Afi doch na mpesa odi chat wo.
Alles klar, ich hab's verstanden. Meine Freunde, meine Verwandten, meine Lieblinge, Mutter, meine Kinder natürlich, mein Freund. Ich grüße euch alle, ich hab euch alle lieb. Ich freue mich, dass ihr zugeguckt habt und wir sehen uns bald. I love them. Thank them for watching. Yeah.
Okay.
See them soon.
What you say? Nyame won shraw. See and tone suffer wa. Wo di ani je. Wo say sister Nayas. Me door from afar. Me badudu. Na program ni experience. In fact, ene wa ma yenya deep experience. Mama ye boa so. In fact, mama fia be boa ye. Wa ma ye hu sa chia nso emu ye mo bie mu ne ho abomfia. Doctor nso so wo ho. So no so ebe boa mo. Yankopon won shraw. Wonya okese. Won to won kwan ne mame. Seda ne da. Unya bre na wo hwe me edru kwasi ya da was ye na ya se bebe mini baby a mehwe Angel TV nko a eni baby a mehwe enchia kase enkoma me akasa me papa doctor kweko otin papa ibo mi mu ase me chia wo enchia biem enkoma me CEO Mr Vincent eni adwumakuo empanifo ni nyina radio both radio and TV ABN ejuma ko mpanifo nyame won hyamo enase akase biem enkoma aboafo nyina dane da wo musomi mu Nyankopon won koso nyamo kase wate na emo misraw se wo bibi na se wo pese ye bohu dawro edemawa ye number no ene ku screen no anim no 0244 605647 020605647 Angel beverages di emisro kai se party program se ye bibia ekoso Ghana ni abrochire nyina no Angel drinks pe ene obi age atum flavors ni nyina bi wo honom sa na Jeffers mix chance so yaredom bi etete be ma waye mre wompem tutu America na koje wodie papa go furniture so wo se wo be eboa mo afi Debbie's closet afi the boy fashion jewelries kwajo shoes many impossible makeup shasha